Alright guys, I'm headed on the snap-on truck. Y'all see that? Zoom in, sucker. I don't know how that happened, man. It just broke. I see my leveler. This is a long 1/4-inch ratchet that I love. Can y'all see it now? Yes. It's just zoom in. Right there. The level just broke. Alright, I don't know. I don't care, but the snap-on man is here, guys. Let's see. And you know what? Somebody left this in the car I was working on. I put the car in the air and this fell out. I don't know what shop she had it at last, but it's mine. And the ratchet part wouldn't work, so he rebuilt it the last time. So I'm not sure what he gonna do this time, but we're about to find out, guys. Let's go up here. I should have known Big Money was up here. Huh? Should have known Big Money was up here. We want to close back. You got air on or something? Yeah, we're gonna get this taken care of. What else he got on here? Quite frankly, I kind of want a new one, but I don't know if that's my call, guys. I think he's gonna try to fix it. I don't know, but we'll see. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's air tube. There you go. Eric, you already got every tool known to man. I'm sure he don't mind you coming in. Dome. Here goes some here go your ratchet drawer right here. Ooh, I'd sure take this in the place of that. No, my level broke. This little thing right here. Conflict of interest. The Mac man and the Snap-on man clashed. I wonder how they get along. I guess there used to be a toolbox right here, guys. Hey, what happened to that toolbox right here? He sold it. No, man. My toolbox are old. They don't even have needle bearings in it. You have to have muscles to open my drawer. Damn, why I gotta be all that? Here goes something you ain't got, Eric. It's extension with the funny end on it that make it swivel.
Hold on, I do.
They make it swivel at the end.
I got the whole kit.
Well, I'm sure my man can find something on here you don't got. I know, right? It makes the socket swivel at the end just a little bit.
It's called wobble head extensions. I got the whole kit. I sold it to him. I already got it.
Oh, for real? What else you ain't got on here, Eric? It's a lot of this.
A Pitman arm puller.
Oh, what you call looking for one?
No, you got one.
Dude, that's a special tool. Bachman looking for one.
Yeah, he called.
Oh, they call you? Yeah, we're gonna make Chaz pay for it.
The only thing is, I got one, but it's too small. It's too small. You need something a little bit more heavy duty.
Oh, yeah, so you're gonna build it. Oh, that's how it's done. Okay. Oh, he got the kit. So this is the little kit. So you really don't have to replace. This is not broke. I wanted a new one, but you know I'm not gonna fuss with the man.
Yeah.
So
They ain't going well.
they're gonna do it like that. Alrighty. Interesting.
You should have known that, Ricky, the second you had.
So how you get reimbursed for the kit?
I sent it back to them.
Oh, the broken one?
Yeah, and then they
So what if you gave me a new one and sent that back? They got mad because you wouldn't build it?
nope, they still credit my state payment after they receive it.
So do you not have a new one?
I do not have any.
Oh, okay. So, all right, I'll let you slide then. Ricky, I can't afford nothing you got holding in your hand. I don't even know what that do. Hey, scan tool. It do what? Oh, fan clutch. Oh. Ricky, I'm the poorest mechanic in the shop. I don't know if they told you or not, but I'm pretty poor. I wanted to be a two-man when I grow up. I heard they make all the money.
I don't know if they make it off. They damn sure get off mine.
I heard the two guys, even though I ain't seen a Mac man in years, most of all my broke stuff is Mac. Oh, come on, man. It was that.
That's about accessibility.
Hold on, guys. Let's take a look at this.
What you need is this.
They need the one that you're gonna adjust out and then
Okay. He fixed it.
How much is it?
you got that.
Come on, focus, you stupid.
I think James has one.
There you go, guys. Back in business.
What is it?
Back in business.
Like $70 on Amazon from OTC.
I don't know what broke. Where's the level part that broke? Oh, that's it? Ah. Okay. Wow. I can rebuild a transmission, but I can't rebuild one of these. Go figure. It was neat. All right, thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. I gotta go roll. All right, guys. I'm one satisfied customers. Snap on man, real nice dude. All right, I couldn't afford. I can't get no tools, but I did get my broken ratchet fixed. All right, that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Let me get back to these broken. Okay, I'll see y'all in the next video.